Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to install Google Analytics to your WordPress website. For that we have to go here and www.sbmcapitalsecurities.com/wp-admin. So this is the SBM Capital Securities is basically about share marketing and insurances. So you can check there about these policies and trading if you are interested in share marketing. So you can connect with us there. And now we are going to on our project that how we can connect Google Analytics to our WordPress website. In the other tab, we have to open Google Analytics. So you have to enter here your username and the password. And on the other tab, we have to open the we have to sign into our Gmail account. Okay, so we are new here on analytics. So for that we have to click here on setup for free. Okay, so the account name is required. We have to mention here it is about what. So I'm mentioning the website SBM Capital Securities. Click on the next button. So here we have to mention what do you want to measure, what we have to find in analytics account. So this is our website. So I'm clicking here on the website and click on the next button. Okay, website name SBM Capital Securities. Here we have to mention the website URL. So if you have the SSL certificate, you can select the HTTPS. So I'm having this. So I'm mentioning here www.sbmcapitalsecurities.com. Industry category, we have to select here. We can select here finance, as the website is related to share marketing or insurances. So we can select here finance. And the time zone we are selecting for the India because the company is in India. Then we have to click on the create button. Okay. So here we have to select India. And accept the terms and policies. Again, I accept the measurement controller data protection terms for the data that I share with the Google. I accept. Okay. Click on the save button. So now you have to click here on analytics and copy this code. Then go to the dashboard of WordPress. And here in the settings, you have to go here on the insert, headers and footer. This plugin we have already used for Google Search Console, or you can say Webmaster. to connect our website with that. But now we are going to connect analytics with our website. So we have to click here and then enter one space. Then we have to paste the code of Google Analytics here and then click on the save button. That's it. Now in the analytics, click here on the home button. So from now you can check how your website is doing, who is coming to your website, number of customers, number of consumers are on your website. In the real time, it will see the live data. It will show you the live data. And then if on the audience, you can check demographics, interest, geo, behavior, mobile, custom data. And in the acquisition part, you can check from where you are getting the traffic. So it can be Facebook, it can be Instagram, it can be YouTube, wherever. In the behavior, you can check on which page the people are landing the most, what they are searching on your website. In the conversions, you can track the conversions. If you have set any goal on your website, it will count the conversions. So basically, it is important for the e-commerce website where you can track the sales. And for checking the codes, you have to go to your website www.sbmcapitalsecurities.com. Click Control plus U, find analytics. Okay, so here's the code which we have pasted right now. And if you want to check whether your webmaster is configured or not, you can click on Control plus F and then find site verification. So here it is your search console code. That's it. Thank you so much.